Hello, this is Rob Wilson, and thank you for joining us for this webcast today. Looking at this first slide here, you can see really our focus at Meeting Evolution is to help you use business intelligence to manage your events more strategically. Basically, business intelligence is more information at every step of the process to help you make a better decision for a successful event. A little bit about myself. Starting in the meetings industry full-time in 2001. And being Six Sigma certified really helped me understand the process, analyze each step, and the type of information that becomes available to the professional meeting planner to help them make better business decisions and ultimately an event that will help their event be successful as possible. Always been involved in technology in the industry, being involved in the CIC, the Convention Industry Council's Apex Committee, leveraging industry standards around the process of ERFPs and event planning, and we are very aware of the strategic meeting management guidelines put out by GBTA, and so every time we develop enhancements to our software, our new modules, we are aware of that, and we want to be sure that we're providing you the right information at every step to help you make better business decisions. So Meeting Evolution today is the most comprehensive web-based platform available for professional meeting planners, again following the strategic meeting management guidelines put out by GBTA. And one of the things that we have found that's been very valuable is the software is ready to be used by mobile devices, whether it be a tablet, BlackBerry, or iPhone. Works very well with those devices. So here's kind of an overview, if you will, for the globes and kind of dots on the screen, helping you understand the different pieces that Meeting Evolution is able to deliver. And really the wrapper around all of this is your process, your policies coming from your planning department, procurement, and management to ensure that you're getting the right information at every step. So a little bit of history of Meeting Evolution. So from 2001 to 2008, we were a proprietary software for Meeting Sites Resource. Meeting Sites Resource is a full-service meeting management organization based in Irvine, California. So it allowed us a great opportunity to understand how it really works in the process or in the industry of putting your meeting specs together, selecting hotels to respond back to RFPs, using that information to help you in the contracting process, and then once the meeting was over, to capture the actuals. What was the actual room block pickup, food and beverage, audiovisual, and so forth. Becoming Apex compliant in 2007 really helped us standardize our questions, the information the hotels would get from our system. It was consistent, it was standard, and it helped them check availability and respond back in a very timely manner. In 2008, we founded Meeting Evolution, and ever since that time we've been able to grow our customer base and leverage our feedback and our enhancements from our customers, and it's been a great experience as we move forward into the future. Talking about some of the modules that differentiate us between our competitors, so the ones that are highlighted, that have the boxes around them. We support over 170 different currencies. We actually have our own contact or customer relationship management system built in. It really allows us to leverage preferences and provide a great experience not only for the meeting planners that are doing the sourcing and procurement and management, but also from a reporting perspective, and provides a lot of efficiencies to help your planning team be very productive in the process. We also provide the ability to manage the custom hotel contract. So as you're going through the process today, you may request the hotel to start that process. Well, when you look at that, you're going back and forth, ending up with the contract that you want. Well, why don't you start with the contract that you want? And that's what allows Meeting Evolution allows our customers to leverage that, and it's been very successful. A lot of our customers have this, and they've seen some huge benefits from an efficiency and productivity standpoint. We're in the process of the event planning module that you see there, the banquet event orders. That actually allows the meeting planners, so once you know where and when the meeting is going to happen, then event planning comes into play. And so creating the banquet event orders, leveraging your contacts to bring in suppliers to make different services, whether it be event production or food and beverage or catering or any offsite events. We're going to be managing all of that within the event planning module. And also a critical piece here is as you're moving through the process, you have some very good cost savings information available to you. So what did you start out with your rates being quoted? How did you negotiate those rates down? Whether it be from a dollar amount or a concession, whatever that be, maybe a risk reduction, a particular clause in your contract you were able to get in there. And if something were to happen where that clause were to come into play, those can be documented, and ultimately if a dollar amount can be tracked, we allow you to do that. And then also when the meeting is over, we allow you to capture how was the event at this particular supplier, how was food and beverage, the meeting space, the sleeping rooms, whatever it be. That information is then stored in the system and then can be used in current and future searches to help you determine how were our experiences in the past at these suppliers. Kind of answering the question of target market, really anybody that does a meeting, our software is able to help increase efficiencies and productivity. So a little bit of process overview. So starting on the left-hand side, really starts with finding the hotel or the supplier to have a successful event at. Once the place of when and where is known, that's typically ending up with your countersigned contract. You'd move into the registration, so who's coming to the event. And then once you know who's coming, and oftentimes this is happening in parallel, is the event planning process. Working through when and where people are coming. What are they doing each day? Breakfast, lunch, dinner, breakouts, general session, so forth. And then once the meeting is over, capturing the actuals, if any invoicing needs to happen, and then closing out the event. Is all of the pieces that we, Meeting Evolution, are able to manage for our customers. So organizational reporting, we have a very complex hierarchy within Meeting Evolution that can support whether it be one planning organization, or maybe you have a planning organization that has multiple business units that need to operate under their own business rules. But management needs a dashboard, if you will, that can log in and they can see all business units, all activity. And so Meeting Evolution has allowed you to set things up that way. It's been very beneficial for our customers that work in this environment, and it's been great to work with them over the years. And department reporting. So you as an organization, you probably service different departments. Or if you are a meeting management organization, you service different customers. And ultimately, some of those customers may be in different departments within the companies you service. And so Meeting Evolution is able to manage that from a reporting hierarchy. It's been a good enhancement, good capability working with our customers through the process. So meetings consolidation. Meeting Evolution provides an interface. We call it MyInfo. So you as a planning organization or a professional planner, you would use our software to do the event approval, find the hotels, negotiate the contract, all the pieces that you need to do your job. But then there's a meeting requester. Somebody asked you to do your job in regards to finding the hotel to have that event at. So that requester has a portal that they can log into in real time and see how things are going with the event from a calendar perspective, from a reporting perspective, from financials, everything around their event. Meeting Evolution automatically produces for them in real time when you look at the reporting and some of the planning tools to help them answer some questions and to help them do their job better. So that's been a nice enhancement too over the years working with our customers. So thank you for your time. My name is Rob Wilson. You can see my contact information there on the screen, and I look forward